I've been there multiple times. So now, I think the perfect time to bring her there is Christmas. So, baka na tayo. Able to work. Also, every single day with happiness and with the people I love.
No.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
I expect because yung movie na to is very adventurous and for family. Kasi actually I watched this in New York City sa Broadway. Kaya I'm really excited to watch this Wicked kasi idol ko si Ariana Grande.
Thank you.
Sa Baguio ng Vietnam. So, kakaiba naman. Para malaman.
Christmas plans, of course, syempre gusto ko sa amin buong family ko. Naging masaya lang, walang issue and all. Pagsama ko na yung family ko kasi.
Ako naman, may plan for this Christmas is to spend time with my family. And of course, gusto ko mag-travel. I'm planning to go sa Japan. Yeah. So me, every Christmas, of course, always with my family talaga. And this year, I'm planning to go to Japan. Finally, let's check off my bucket list na yung
Okay. Ano-ano ipinagpapasalamat nila this Christmas?
I'm very thankful na complete ulit kaming magki-Christmas. I think yun, the best Christmas ever.
Nagpapasalamat ako sa family and friends ko na nagsusuporta sa akin all the way. Kahit marami na ako pinagdadaanan ngayon, they still believe me and naniniwala sila sa akin lahat and they still support me ever since.
Ako naman, I'm so thankful sa mga blessings na dumadating sa akin. And of course, dahil complete yung family ko, I have a lot of support system. Ako always grateful for the blessings na sinibigay ko sa akin. Of course, always be grateful for the love na binibigay ng parents ko, family, and
Favorite song kay Ariana?
Favorite song kay Ariana? Oh my gosh! Wait lang na una.
Ay,
Lagi
ay,
lang
ay,
po ng panahon.
popular. Ako naman, Supernatural.
Dangerous Woman siguro.
Yes! Honeymoon Avenue.
Okay, last. Ano ang Christmas tip para makatipid?
Ay, pwede ba? Parang kailangan ko din ng Christmas tips para makatipid. Pero I guess for me, kailangan kong i-streamline yung ko. Ililista ko muna yung mga pagbibigyan ko ng regalo. Kasi pag nasa store na ako, parang ay, bagay ko kay ganito, kay ganyan. Tapos may nabibili na pala akong doble regalo.
Kaya talaga, parang hirap tipid this Christmas season. Pati yung kainan, parang gastos na lang gastos. Bawi na lang sa New Year. Tipid tips, notes lang, and then manage ka ng mga allowance mo, ganun. And of course, iwasan yung travel. Joke lang. Parang hindi ko kaya. I disagree.
Hindi ko naman yata kailangan mag-tipid tips kasi kuripot na ako eh. Ayun. Yun yung tipid tips, kuripot na dapat. Hindi, joke lang. Ayun. Maging manageable ka sa pera.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you!
Thank you. Thank you.
Ito ang number one support system. Tama ako.
Let's keep that.
Okay, boss.
Okay, post lang. Post lang ako
Sorry na. Pahawak na. Ano ba?
Photo.
Without anything?
Yes, without anything.
And then, stop ka dyan, go, then closing up. Then, harap dito.
Sige. Well, may witch hat tayo. Hanap na rin tayo.
Instructions for, hey, wait,
Sorry.
here are the instructions for
Everyone, I have an announcement. Popular, you're gonna be popular. I'll show you what shoes to wear, how to fix your hair, everything that really counts to be
dancing through life, mindless and careless. Make sure you're wearless when you're dancing.
Everyone, I have an announcement. Popular, you're gonna be popular. I'll show you what shoes to wear, how to fix your hair, everything that really counts to be
Dancing through life, mindless and careless. Make sure you're wearless when you're dancing.
Pwede po, ano?